In the backwaters of Kerala, hidden behind coconut groves and narrow lanes, there is a village that breaks every rule of biology. Kodinhi, known today as the twin town of India, a small settlement with a population you could count on a map, yet a genetic footprint that has stunned the world. Because Kodinhi stands out for one impossible statistic: over 450 pairs of twins recorded among just 2,000 families. A clustering so unnatural, so extreme, it has forced scientists, geneticists, and researchers from across the world to ask the same question. What is happening here? Twins should be rare. Here, they are routine, expected, almost engineered. You walk through the village and the world glitches. Identical faces, identical steps, identical voices. Classrooms where every third child has a mirror. Family trees that look like photocopies. And through it all, one truth remains. Science still cannot explain why. Theories float like smoke. Maybe it's the water. Maybe it's the diet. Maybe a genetic mutation slipped silently into the population generations ago. Some point to shared ancestry, some to environmental quirks, but none of them fit. None of them survive scrutiny. Kodinhi just keeps producing twins, and biology keeps failing to keep up. And Kodinhi is not a lone anomaly. Across the world, strange twin clusters surface. In Brazil's Cândido Godoy, Nigeria's Igbo Ora, China's Jiangxi, patterns appear, vanish, then re-emerge decades later. Clusters that defy every rule of inheritance and probability. But Kodinhi is different. Because it didn't fade, it grew. Scientists have taken samples, run DNA sequencing, mapped genealogies. Yet every investigation ends the same way, with more questions than answers. Because here's the brutal truth. In a world where we can edit genes, design embryos, and manipulate DNA, one small Indian village continues to defy the entire system. Kodinhi is not a curiosity. It's an anomaly, a biological outlier, a mystery wrapped in statistics that should not exist. A village you can walk across in 15 minutes, yet strange enough to shake the foundations of human genetics. Kodinhi doesn't offer explanations, only multiplication, only patterns, only twins. Sometimes the darkest mysteries don't live in abandoned forts or ancient ruins. Sometimes they live in a village so ordinary, it becomes terrifying.